Hello friends, today we will discuss current government shutdown or economic shutdown in USA and what is its impact, what is it also. So what is an economic shutdown or government shutdown? In the USA, when Congress fails to pass the federal budget or appropriation bill on time, the government does not have the legal authority to spend money on salaries or services. This situation is called a government shutdown. It is usually happens in USA because the government budget depends on Congress approval. What happens during a shutdown? Federal government offices close. No non-essential services are suspended. Impact on employees. Millions of federal workers are sent on unpaid leave. Public services affected. Museums, parks, passport services, visa processing slow down. Essential services continue like police, military, hospitals, air traffic control remain active. Economic losses, billions of dollars lost every week. Major shutdowns in US history during 1995-96 Clinton era lasted 21 days. Dispute was over health budget. During 2013 Obama era 16 days shutdown due to Affordable Care Act that or Obamacare. During 2018-2019 Trump era, longest shutdown in history, 35 days dispute over Mexico border wall funding. Economic impact, GDP growth declines, longer shutdowns reduce GDP growth, stock market uncertainty, investors panic, markets become volatile. Rising government debt, payment delays worsen the fiscal situation. Impact on citizens, federal workers lose incomes, loans, EMIs become harder to repay, tourism business suffer. Current shutdown, October 2025 situation. On October 1st, midnight, the US government entered a shutdown as Congress failed to pass a funding bill. This is 21st funding gap and the 11th formal shutdown in US history. Hundreds of thousands of federal employees are affected. Some have gone without pay. Some are working without pay in essential services. Essential services, military, border security, air traffic and control continue. Non-essential services like parks, museums, offices are closed. Federal judiciary function will reserve fund until October 17, 2025, after which services will stop. Economic data like jobs report has not been released. White House estimates shutdown may cost $15 billion loss every week. Total loss, infrastructure and energy projects are upheld or frozen. So these are crucial impacts which affect the US economy. What is closed, what is open? Sectors during shutdown: essential services, military, police, border, air traffic are open. Non-essential services, parks, museum offices closed. Social security, SSI payments continue. Visa, passport services running will be delayed. Economic labor data reports are paused. State level funding grants are frozen or delayed. Risk and consequences: longer shutdown will cause higher GDP loss. Stock market will be volatile. Investors' confidence will be shaken. Federal employees loss, lower consumption, loan defaulters, critical agencies like nuclear safety were affected due to shortage of funds. Political deadlock, Republican and Democratic parties members blame each other. In short, the US government shutdown October 2025 has suspended non-essential services, delayed economic data, hurt investor sentiments. Risk will cause $15 billion is estimated loss of $15 billion, and there is so many damages. Thank you.